Those are alarming figures, Dr. Ramesh, and I agree with you that this is a problem which gets compounded over a period of time. It's a big public health burden, and so therefore we need to do a deep dive into the understanding of how this disease develops, what causes cancer, and so my next question to you, Dr. Ramesh, would be: could you kind of give our viewers a little idea about the entire process of cancer formation, or in medical parlance, as we call it, carcinogenesis?
Now, for us to understand what is cancer, it is very important that we need to understand how human life develops. And we are all aware that the human life starts with a fusion of two cells. And these cells divide again and again in a very controlled fashion. And soon this mass of cells take the form of a human being. We can identify the eyes, the feet, the hands. Soon various organs of the body are formed. And all these organs are formed by multiplication of cells. It takes 9 months for the two cells to get converted, metamorphosed into a baby of 3 kgs. And all the changes that happen as the baby grows over the years, all this remodeling that happens is again because of the multiplication of these cells. The healing that happens in the body when there is an injury is also by multiplication of the cells. And so we have just understood how a human life develops, and the core philosophy of formation of a human being is multiplication of their cells. And as shown in this video, the cells divide in an organized fashion. The new cells that are formed are an exact replica of the mother cells in the size, in the shape, and function. So this control, this controlling force is nothing but the genetic material that is present in the cells. And when this genetic material is damaged, when division occurs, the new cells that are formed do not resemble the mother cells. The new cells could be of a different size, shape, and probably are not functional. Most importantly is there is lack of control in the number of cells that are produced. There's no unlimited number of cells are produced, and they form a mass, and that mass is nothing but cancer. Since multiplication, as we have just realized, the entire human body is made up of millions of cells, and there's a continuous multiplication of cells happening across all the organs of the body. And all the cells in the body contain the genetic material called DNA. And whatever may be the cause for damage, the DNA might be damaged in any organ. And depending on the organ in which the DNA is damaged, there's an uncontrolled proliferation of cells in that organ, and cancer can develop. And thus, we can have cancer anywhere in the body. It could be breast, it could be prostate, lungs, skin, thyroid. Anywhere in the body, we can have cancer, as long as the cells in that organ can divide, can replicate.